Hello, welcome to Malouf Service. Today we're going to show you how to successfully replace the motor on your Structures Adjustable Bed Base. Number 1. Remove your mattress from the base, then lift the base onto its side. If you haven't already, unplug the base from your outlet. Number 2. Locate the motor. Notice the long, medium, and short length cables on the head motor. Next, disconnect the power cable from the long head motor cable, the remote cable from the medium cable, and the foot motor cable from the short head motor cable. Number 3. Remove the cotter pins and bolts located at each end of the motor. Then detach the old motor from the base. Number 4. Slide the new motor between the double brackets and reattach the bolts and cotter pins to the new motor. Then, reconnect the foot motor cable to the short head motor cable, the remote to the medium cable, and the power cable to the long head motor cable. Number 5. With the base still on its side, plug the base into your outlet and use the remote control to test the basic function of the motor. If the motor moves, return the base to an upright position and test again for full operation. If you're having trouble replacing your motor or have another question about your adjustable base, contact our customer experience team and one of our experts will be happy to assist you.